Well guys, this is what all the fuss was about, but it's still very cute. Good morning, you guys. We are off to Dana Point this morning. There is a waterfall there that they say only goes off after a heavy rain, and it has rained really heavily here in Orange County for the last 2 days, so I bet it's going to be really good. It's a beautiful drive down the coast, most enjoyable. We drive through Laguna Beach, along the coast a little further, and then end up in Dana Point. Many thanks to all of you who have subscribed. And if you haven't yet, now would be a great time to do it. Thanks so much. So to get there, you have to go towards the harbor, going down towards the ocean. Take a right about here, and head along the beach. Pretty soon, it's on your right. Imagine living up there after all this rain and all the avalanches. We parked at Baby Beach. It's a cute little place. Well, we drove past the little waterfall, and I don't think it's going to be a whole heck of a lot. Probably more of a trickle, but we'll see. One of the things I really love about Southern California is all the eucalyptus trees. They smell so good. And here she is, in all her glory. She may be small, but she's pretty. We were there in March, and after all the rain, the path there was pretty muddy. Kinda glad I wore my hiking shoes. Well guys, this is what all the fuss was about. But it's still very cute. And yeah, all that water has to go somewhere. Poor tree. It's a casualty of the recent rains. So let's show you what it looks like from a drone's eye view. You can see so much better that way. And there's a lot more to see. for instance, I didn't know all those buildings were up there. They must have a magnificent view of the harbor. And this here would be their view. I wouldn't mind that. It looks like there's a pretty sweet boardwalk along the top of the hill there. Thanks so much for coming along. We'll see you on the next adventure.